What comes to mind when you think of roof maintenance? I know it's not as exciting as scrolling Facebook, but if you own a home, chances are you're sitting right under your own roof as you watch this. Unfortunately, there is no check roof light to look out for. So you have to take the initiative. But how do you know what to maintain? Hi, hello there. Welcome to today's video on the DroneQuote YouTube channel. I'm your host, Sinue. In today's video, we'll get into what your roof maintenance can mean for your roof insurance coverage. Before we get started, take a look at that pretty subscribe button. How's it looking? Moving on. If you've ever tried to file an insurance claim for your roof damage, you know that the process can be a headache, but doing regular checkups and maintenance can also lessen the pain. Why? Well, when you invest in maintaining and keeping your roof in good working order, you reduce the likelihood of preventable damage and additional insurance payouts to you. If there's one thing insurance companies like, it's keeping their money. Fortunately, roof maintenance can start with visual inspections. Look for debris and roof granules in rain gutters. Debris inhibits water flow, which can cause water intrusion, and roof granules indicate roof aging. Either way, clean the gutters regularly. Moss or algae can grow on your roof, especially in sections that don't get a lot of direct sunlight. Treat moss or algae with zinc products or trim foliage if it prevents direct sunlight on your roof. Missing or dislocated roof shingles or tiles can let in direct sunlight and water, two prime ingredients for leaks. Call a roofer or break out the ladder to fix ASAP, because "I'll do it tomorrow" can turn into "I forgot about it." And after severe weather, the kind that physically hurts if you're caught in it, keep an eye out for damage to the roof or other parts of your property. If you spot damage, call up the insurance company right away and dust off your records. If you're going to take the effort to be a prudent homeowner and maintain the roof, take the last step of recording your work. Having evidence of roof conditions before and after a significant weather event can mean the difference between thousands of dollars in claim value. Now, you can climb your roof and take the necessary steps to record the condition of your roof and the rest of your property in a proactive manner, should you ever need it, and then repeat the process after some rough weather, which you probably won't do. Or you can reach out to us and order the DroneQuote IQ service that will do it all for you and neatly organize the deliverables for download or printing. Think about this the next time you pull up to your home in your vehicle. Take a good look at your roof and consider that it is responsible for keeping everything and everyone beneath it safe and dry. That's worth keeping an eye out for, and perhaps a bit of elbow grease on occasion, is it not? Hit the subscribe button if you agree that your roof deserves a bit of TLC every now and then. And see the link for DroneQuote IQ in the description below. And if you're curious about the drone in DroneQuote, check out our video on how the use of drones have revolutionized the solar and roofing industry. Things have come a long way since I first sold my motorcycle in 2014 to purchase a drone after I grew tired of climbing roofs. DroneQuote out.